can you tell it's a 73 from the front end?
Because of the area tape
On the side?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
What do it belong to?
I don't know, but we'll find out tomorrow morning when the police look for it.
Are you gonna check it out?
I'd like to check the owner.
I know. Excuse me. It's
This is an automatic. Mine is a stick.
Wow.
Interesting story. When I got mine, I bought it on Friday the 13th of December. It was a brand new model. I bought it in 72 to 73. And I was going to take delivery of it about 2 days later. And they called me that afternoon and they said, we found some bad paint up in this area. They said, we want to strip it and repaint it for you.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
I said, go ahead and do that. He said, that'll be later, a couple of days. I said, it's all right. So he called me back later that afternoon. He said, we found more bad paint. And I think it was back here on the back. He said, now, what we'd like to do is we want to strip the entire car down and repaint it.
Wow.
That took 2 weeks.
Huh.
Oh, wow.
It's a brand new car?
Brand new car.
Wow.
That's brand new?
And I had it for 3 years, and there was no damage spot on that car after 3 years.
Huh.
Damage spot?
Yeah, but that's it.
Yeah.
What was the license plate on it?
DF20. This has got a big, the big 454. Mine had a 348.
Wow.
I wanted
Was
the
yours
car.
like
I didn't
this?
want all the.
That's pretty green.
Yeah,
Back here.
Same?
I want to see cookies.
yeah, yeah. And I had this. What is this? What is this?
You know what that means? You didn't have to. I love you, Dad.
Okay, now, how many people knew this was coming?
By a show of hands?
Just followed yourself up, bud.